What up, party people? Today we are going to be making a hair mask for damaged hair after bleaching or coloring of any type, or even just sun damage. So I recently got my hair done at an organic salon here in Portland called Zuzu Salon, and I did have a little bit of bleach put in. I know bleach is not organic. I had it mixed in a few parts, but some of it did not take very well. I'll show you, like this probably is the worst part right here where you can see it's a little bit dried out, but I loved the haircut and I liked the color. So I thought there's gotta be a way to fix this. And here it is. So this is pretty simple. All that's in here is a can of coconut milk, about 6 to 8 tablespoons of chia seed, 5 drops of tea tree oil, 5 drops of lavender oil, and then a concentrate boil. I don't even know if that's how you would say it. You'll go and boil a rosemary tea. So all that is take some fresh rosemary. If you don't have fresh, just take some dried. Don't worry. So you're gonna add that into a small amount of water, boil it for a little bit, and then I put the rosemary boiled and the boiled water. Put that into the blender with the coconut milk, with the chia seeds and the essential oils. Now, the big thing you want to make sure is that you grind the chia before you put it into the blender so that when you're getting it out of your hair the next day, you don't get chunks of chia seeds coming out. It's also kind of a bitch to get out of your hair. I let it sit for a little bit so that you could get this nice texture that will kind of stick together. Otherwise, it'll be way too liquidy and you'll kind of have it dripping all over the place, which isn't fun. Then I sectioned off my hair into small parts. So what I did was, and if you have damaged hair, you'll want to be careful. You'll just very gently take pieces. You would run all of the product through here, and then you'd put this up, and what I did is I don't have hair clips, so I just did bobby pins. So that whole section would have been covered, and then I'll start here and just keep going. And I went until my whole head was up in, like, you know, probably 10 of these little sections. And I put the towel on it and I looked like a crazy person. I'll show you. Okay, mask is on and I feel like some kind of Betty Boop. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah. So I put the towel on it, I slept with it like that. I woke up, I still looked like a crazy person. You'll see. Y'all ever seen Medusa? See, here's my mask. I slept in it all night for ultimate beauty features. And yeah, I'm about to go wash it out. And hopefully I won't have a greasy head all day, but that's okay if I do. And then once you take it off, you can do a nice rinse. It'll take you some time to get it all out, but don't be harsh, be gentle. Get all the chia seeds out and then feel your hair. It's gonna feel fucking amazing, man. And I am so excited for you to try it. The way that I feel from one time, I think I'm doing this for the rest of my life, hair dye or not, because this just feels so good. I feel like I got my hair back. So I'm very excited. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you have any other hair mask ideas. I'm totally down since I just kind of came up with this one on the fly. And I hope you enjoy. See you next time, guys.